Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Samsung Galaxy S23 FE Fan Edition, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean USB charging port on this device using household items. So to do it, you just need to insert the one part of the brush into the USB port and clean debris. Why I suggest you use the toothbrush to clean the connector on your Samsung device? Because people, when they want to clean connector, they trying to clean it using the metal pin to open the SIM card slot, but it's very dangerous, because you can damage your USB charging port on your device. You can damage your moisture protection using metal objects. So never use metal object to clean the connector. Use just simple toothbrush. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.